Here's a pair of the JBL 770 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook, Apple computer, or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put the headphones in the pairing mode, okay? The headphones are off right now. Let me turn these on. You got a power button right there. Let me press and hold until it turns on.
Power on.
It said power on. Now,
Connected.
it said connected. Now what I want is to put this in a pairing mode. I want a blue blinking light here, okay? Mine is not blinking blue here because I'm connected to my iPhone. So now in order for me to put this in a pairing mode, I can do two things. I can go to my iPhone here, go into Bluetooth settings, and I can forget this device or unpair it from the Bluetooth list. As soon as I do that on the iPhone, I'll get a blue blinking light right away here. Or another way is, if I don't want to disconnect or I don't have this device around or whatnot, what I can do is I can, while the headphones are on, I can double click the power button. 1, 2.
Pairing.
It said pairing, and now I get a blue blinking light there, which indicates it is in pairing mode. Okay, so now we're going to go to my MacBook here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings. So go up to the Apple logo on the top left hand side, and we're going to go down to System Settings right there. And then from here, we're going to scroll, we're going to tap on Bluetooth. And now you can see under My Devices, these are all the other ones that is already paired to this MacBook. Now, if I go under Nearby Devices, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. These are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue here. And I did see it pop up, JBL Tune 770 NC. So we're going to go here and we're going to select Connect.
Connected.
It just said connected on the headphones, and you can see it says connected JBL Tune 770 NC right there, and I got 60% battery juice on here. So I'm connected here and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.